Hi everybody, I'm Jason. I'm the founder and designer of the AutoPot technology. But I want to show you the patented product that controls the water. So I've got a clear one here just to show you. So the AQUAvalve, it is not a ball cock, it's a vacuum flow valve. How it works though is completely unique. So once it's connected up and you have connected to a reservoir and you have water and fertiliser in your reservoir and turn the tap on, what the valve does, it allows water to flood into the tray to a preset level of 20 millimetres. How it works, as water starts to come in, this bottom flow will start to rise, but it can't cut off the incoming water here because this hole is sealed by this silicone at the top. So as water carries on flooding into the tray, this float will rise and allow the air to escape out of this hole here. Simultaneously, as it does, this bottom float will rise and cut off the incoming water. So now no more water can enter into the tray. If you're using a ball cock in a tray, a slight bit of water that's used by the plant and the ball cock will just top it up again. This does not work like that. So now what happens, as the plants start to drink water, this top float will slowly drop and it will seal this hole, creating a vacuum inside here that prevents this bottom float from dropping and allowing water to come in. So the plant carries on drinking the water, and when the water level gets to the underside of the main body here, the surface tension will cling on for half an hour to an hour, and then once the surface tension snaps, the air is released from underneath, this bottom float drops, and the whole process is repeated again. The plant is operating the AQUAvalve, and it's the only product of its kind in the world that works in this way. So each AQUAvalve in each tray, in this particular tray, will grow or water 2 plants. The great thing about these can all be linked together, so you can have many AQUAvalves and many trays all fed from one reservoir. The unique thing about the AQUAvalve is independently watering the plants in that tray, and they will all operate independently and they will all flood and drain independently. And at the end of the season, clean everything down, flush the pipework, and you're good to go for the following season. I mean, these AQUAvalves work very, very well indeed. I'm still using AQUAvalves after 15 years and they still work the same. As long as you clean them and look after them, they'll work 24/7, 365 days a year.